Hello and welcome to Guke's Kitchen. So today on Guke's Kitchen we'll be making something very delicious and yumptious, like we always do. And today we'll be making a chicken pakora. I learned the recipes from one of my Indian friends. It's a very delicious meal. You can have it as a snack if you prefer, or you can, call it a meal, whatever you prefer to call it. But I choose to call it a snack. Thank you to my Indian friend. You know yourself, mister. Thank you. Yeah, so without wasting much of our time, let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to do is you want to get your chicken, a chicken breast, and dice it into cubes as little as possible. You don't want the chunks to be too large. You want to have it at a reasonable chunk sizes. So once you have your chicken diced, you want to go ahead and start adding the other recipes to it. And for the recipes, we're going to be adding a cumin powder to it, a reasonable amount, not so much. Okay, like so. And then let's set that to the side. As well as the chili powder. And then the next thing we're going to add to it is, right here I have my garlic and my ginger already blended, so I'm just going to add that to it. As well as a very minimal amount of salt. Put salt in it to taste. And then I'm also going to add this bouillon to it, because this helps definitely to give it additional taste. I'm going to add 1 cube of that to it. And then I'm going to go ahead and just add a lime juice to it as well. Because you know how important lime juice is with chicken. Very important. Like so. And with all those in it, we're just going to go ahead and mix everything together. Okay, with all that in place, I'm just going to leave it for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then we'll be right back to continue with the process. So, now it's time to start adding the rest of the ingredients to it. I have my onions chopped here. I'm just going to add that into it. I'm using the white onions. You can use the other kind, which is the red onions, if you so wish. And I'm adding so much onions into it because I love onions a lot. And then I have my chopped parsley here as well. I'm just going to add that to it. Okay. Now let's mix it together. And now for the next thing, I'm going to add the all-purpose flour to it. You can use rice flour if you so wish. I believe that the all-purpose flour will definitely work. Alright, so now it's time to start frying it. So there you have it. It turned out very nice and delicious. I am pleased with the final result. I would encourage you to give it a try, and I'm very convinced that you will love it as well. And don't forget to subscribe and also turn on post notifications so that you can be the first to know when I upload. And on that note, I will see you next time. Happy cooking.